Good morning, students. Yesterday we learned about the determinant. How can we find out determinant of square matrix? Today I am going to take new topic, minors. What are minors, students? The minor denoted by M, Ij of an element Aij. We know that element of a matrix is denoted by Aij. Of a matrix is the determinant of the matrix obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column in which element Aij lies. Okay, students, minor is the determinant of the matrix obtained by deleting the row and column of the element in which it lies. Okay, students, this is the minor. Come to the cofactor. In cofactor, only one difference is there, student. The definition is same as minor. Only one change is there. -1 to the power I plus j times of the determinant. Let us read one time the definition of cofactors. The cofactor denoted by Aij, student, of an element Aij of a matrix is -1 to the power I plus j times the determinant of the matrix obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column in which element Aij lies. Okay, student. So you can see in both definition only one difference is there. In both definition only one difference is there, student. You can see here is written of a matrix in which determinant. You can see element Aij of a matrix is the determinant of the matrix. Or in this definition of cofactor, -1 I plus j times the determinant of the matrix. This is the difference, student. Minor represented by Mij and cofactor represented by Aij. So we can say cofactor is -1 to the power I plus j times the minor. Okay, let us take one example so that you can easily understand. I am going to take one example, student. This is a matrix of order 2 by 2. Okay, as you know that we can find the determinant of a square matrix only. So minor and cofactor will also calculated only in square matrix. So this is a square matrix, student. First of all, I am going to find out its cofactor, student. First, minor. So 4 is written here. So 4 minor, according to the definition of minor, the value of determinant after deleting the elements row and column. So its minor we have to find out. So delete its row and delete its column. What left? Only 2, and 2 determinant is 2. That's why M11 means A11 minor equals to 2. Correct? Now let us find out its minor, student. It is A12. That's why I have written M12. So its minor, we have to delete its row and column, students. This is row and this column will be deleted. What is the value left? Minus 3 only. Okay. So minus 3 determinant, minus 3. Now student, I am going to find out minor of this. A21. Okay. Minor 21. It's minus 3 minor. So we have to delete its row and column, students. So this row and this column will be deleted. What left value is minus 7. So its minor is minus 7. Now minor of last element A22. Its minor will be denoted by M22. So let its row and column delete. So this row and this column will be deleted. What left? 4 only. Its determinant 4. So this is the minor, student. Now let us find out its cofactor. Cofactor denoted by Aij. I am going to find out cofactor of A11. That's why I have written here A11. Correct? So cofactor formula minus 1 I plus j Mij. So A11. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, student. I plus j. I value 1, j value 1. And its minor. So minor, you can see 2. Okay. So minus 1 to the power 2 means 1. 1 into 2, 2. Its cofactor is 2. Now student, I am going to find out its cofactor. A12. So A12 cofactor here. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. I plus j. I value 1. J value 2. So that's why I plus j. We have to write minor. So A12 minor is minus 3. So do calculation. Minus 1 to the power 3 minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. A21 student. Cofactor of minus 3. This element cofactor. So the same formula, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1. I plus j. I value 2. J value 1. Then we have to write minor of this A21. Its minor minus 7. You can see here. So its minor value. So minus 1 to the power 3. Minus 1 into minus 7 plus 7. Now student, last element, its cofactor A22. So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2. I value 2. J value 2. And its cofactor, its minor is 4. 4 will be written here. So A22 equals to minus 1 to the power 4. Minus 1 to the power 4. 1 into 4 equals to 4. So this is the method of finding minors and cofactor, students. Correct? Of 2 by 2 matrix. So you can see here, for even, if the sum of I plus j is even, then minor and cofactors are same. If the sum of I plus j is odd, then we have to change the sign of minor. You can see here, student, M11, I plus j value is 2. So power 2, so minor cofactor is same because 2 is even. Now add I or j here, 1 or 2, 3, odd number. So the minor sign we have to change to get cofactor. Here, student, you can see 2 or 1, 3, odd. So we have to change the sign of minor to get cofactor. A22, add I plus j, 4 is even. So its minor cofactor will be same. So that's why I have written here, students, Aij equals to Mij. Cofactor equals to minor if I plus j is even, and cofactor equals to minus minor if I plus j is odd. This you have to remember, student, so that you can easily get the values of minor cofactor. Okay, students. Now I am going to take one example of order 3 by 3, student. E is a matrix of order 3 by 3 in front of you. Let us find out its minor cofactor. So I am going to find out its minor, student. M11, its minor. So delete its row and column. Row deleted, column deleted. This value left. So its determinant equals to minus, students. That's why I have written 5 minus 8 minus 6 0. Let us find out its determinant. 5 into 0 0. 0 minus 48 minus 48. So minor of 1 minus 48, M11. Now its minor, student, it is at the position of A12. So its minor will be denoted by M12. Delete its row and column. So this row and this column deleted, left values minus 4 7 minus 6 0 written here. Now find out its determinant. 0 minus 42, then minus sign also there, plus 42. Okay, student, so equal to 42. So this is its minor. Now find out minor of A13. Its minor, delete its column, its row, minus 4 7 5 minus 8, its determinant. So M13 equals to minus 4 7 5 minus 8. So 32 minus 35 equal to minus 3. Okay, students. Now minor of A21, its minor, students, delete its row and column. Left value is 2 3 minus 8 0. Its determinant. 2 3 minus 8 0, student. 0 plus 24 equals to 24. Now its cofactor is its minor. A22, delete row column and row in which it lies. Left value is 1 7 3 0. Its determinant. M22 1 7 3 0. 1 0 is a 0 or 7 3 is a 21. We have to put minus sign between them to find out determinant. So minus 21 is coming. Now, students, its determinant, its minor. Delete its column, its row. Left value is 1 7 2 minus 8. 1 7 2 minus 8 is determinant. Minus 8. 7 to the 14, minus 8 minus 14, minus 22. Correct? M13 is determinant, student. Its minor. So delete this element from its row and column. Its row and column deleted. Left value is 2 5 3 minus 6. So M31 2 5 3 minus 6 minus 12 minus 15 minus 27. Now, student, next minus 8 means A32. Its minor we have to find out. So we have to delete its column, its row. Left values 1 minus 4 3 minus 6. 1 minus 4 3 minus 6. We have to find out its determinant, student. Minus 6 minus 12 and minus n also there, plus 12. Answer 6. Now last element 0. Its minor. Delete its column, its row. Left values are these 4. 1 minus 4 2 5. M33. 1 minus 4 2 5, student. 5 1 5 plus 8 equal to 30. So these are minors, students, of all elements. Okay, let us find its cofactor student. So as you know that formula of cofactor -1 I plus j mij. So I am going to find out cofactor of first element a11. So a11 equals to -1. We have to add I and j. I value 1, j value 1, -1 to the power 1 plus 1. It's minor you can see m11 equals to -48. So -48 is there. Do calculation. 1 1 2 even number. So -1 to the power 2 1. 1 into -48 -48. Now students, second element, its cofactor. Okay. So a12 -1 to the power 1 plus 2. I value 1, j value 2. Okay. And m12 value, you can see m12 value 42. So 42 is there. Do calculation. -42. Similarly students, a13 minor, -1 1 plus 3. So m13 value, you can see students -3. So -3 I have written here. Do calculation. -3 will remain as it is because -1 to the power 4. 4 is even, that's why -1 to the power 4 equals to 1. 1 into -3. Now students, a21. Okay, cofactor of a21 equals to students -1 to the power 2 plus 1. m21 value 24. So -1 to the power 3, it is odd. So -1 to the power 3 equals to -1. -1 into 24 -24. a22 cofactor of a22 students -1 to the power 2 plus 2. m22 value -21. Do calculation. -21 will remain as it is. m23 is -22. a23 22 because -1 to the power 2 plus 3 odd. -1 into -22 plus 22. a13 student, a31 -1 to the power 3 plus 1. m31 value -27. So -1 to the power 4 plus 1 into -27 -27. Now student, a32 -1 to the power 3 plus 2. m32 value 6. Okay. So -1 to the power 5 odd value. So that's a -1 into 6 -6. Last element cofactor student, a33 -1 to the power 3 plus 3. m33 value student 13. Okay. So a33 equals to 13. So student, you can see if the sum of I and j is even, then minor cofactors are same. And if the sum of I plus j is odd, then we have to change the sign of minor. You can see student here, minor 1 3 -3. Cofactor 1 3 -3 because the sum of I and j is even. That's why minor and cofactor are same. In next one you can see minor 2 1 24 and cofactor of 2 1 -24. Change the sign because 2 plus 1, the sum of I plus j is odd. So student, this rule you have to remember. If the sum of I plus j is even, then minor and cofactor are equal. And if the sum of I plus j is odd, then minor cofactor equals to minus minor. Okay. We have to change the sign of minor to get cofactor if the sum of I and j is odd. Okay students, this is the method of finding minor and cofactor So what are the use of minor cofactor? We can take later. Now students, how can we find out the determinant of a matrix by using cofactor? Generally student, you know, yesterday I discussed with you how can you find out determinant, okay, by expanding the matrix along first row, second row, third row, or first column or second column or third column. 6 methods are there to find out determinant of a matrix. So here you can see student, I am going to find the determinant of the matrix by expanding it along first row. So 1 is as it is, delete it from its row and column, deleted left values, this written here. Then second element A12, it is odd, that's why we have to put minus sign, minus 2, delete it from its row and column, deleted left values, minus 4 7, minus 6 0. I have written here plus 3, okay, because it is A13, delete its row and column should be deleted, left values minus 4 5 7 minus 8 written. Now do calculation students. 1 0 minus 48 minus 2 0 minus 42 to plus 42 plus 3 minus 4 into minus 8 32 minus 35. Do calculation students. 1 into minus 48 minus 2 into 42 minus 84, 3 into minus 3 minus 9. So its determinant is coming minus 1 4 1. Correct students. Now students, I am going to find out its determinant by using cofactor of first row. Okay, so you can see here determinant formula A11 first element and its cofactor A11 plus A12 its cofactor A12, A13 and its cofactor A13. Student, here I have denoted the cofactor by A, capital A. If you want to denote it by C, you can. Okay. So you can see here I have multiplied the element by its cofactor and add an addition was done here. Students, you can see. So A11 value 1. Its cofactor value minus 48. You can see students, A111, its cofactor A11 minus 48. A12 small a12 value is 2 and its cofactor capital A12 minus 42. A13 value is 3 and its cofactor students, you can see here A13 minus 3. So let us put the value 1 into minus 48 minus 4 into 1 into minus 48 plus 2 into minus 42 plus 3 into minus 3. Do calculation student. Minus 48 minus 84 minus 9 equal to minus 141. Okay students. So you can see here students, if we find out determinant of the matrix directly by expanding row or column, we are getting this is the answer, and the same answer we can find out by using cofactor. Okay, the sum of the product of the elements of any row by its cofactor give us the value of determinant. Okay, let us find out the determinant by using cofactor of first column. So first column is this students, A11, A21, A31. Okay, so you can see A11 into A11 plus small a21 into capital A21 plus small a31 into capital A31. I have multiplied the first column element by its cofactors and I have added here. Okay, so A11 into A11, you can see 1 into minus 48. A21 value minus 4, its cofactor value minus 24, plus A31 7, its cofactor capital A31 minus 27. So let us do the calculation, students. Minus 48 plus 96 minus 189. Let us do the calculation. Minus 48 plus 96 plus 48 minus 189. So answer is coming minus 141. So students, you can see here I have calculated the determinant of matrix directly, minus 141. Again, and I have calculated the determinant of the matrix by using cofactor of row 1. Okay, and I have also calculated the determinant of the matrix by using first column cofactors. Okay, so students, we can get the value of determinant of a matrix by using their cofactors also. Okay, now students, one thing we have to remember, a rule: the sum of the product of the elements of any row or column with the cofactors of corresponding element of some other row or column. Here you can see I have taken their cofactors, students. A11, so its cofactor is A11, A21, then its cofactor A21, A31, then its cofactor A31. If I will take the cofactors of any other row or column here, then its answer is 0. That's why it is written here, the sum of the product of elements of any row or column with the cofactors of corresponding elements of some other row or column, then answer is 0. Okay, that's why to find the determinant we have to use, student, here the same cofactor with the element. Okay, then we can get the value of determinant if we use the cofactor of any other row or column here. So we get 0. You can see this example, student. I have taken element A11, then cofactor of A21, A12, cofactor of A22, A13, A23. So elements I have taken of first row and cofactor I have taken of second row. Let us do the calculation here. So A11 value 1 or A21 cofactor minus 24, A12 value 2 and A22 cofactor minus 21, A13 value 3, student, and A23 value 22. Let us do the calculation. Minus 24 minus 42 plus 66 minus 24 minus 42 minus 66 plus 66 equal to 0. Okay, students. So today I have discussed with you what are minors, what are cofactors, and how can we get minor and cofactor, students, of a matrix of order 2 by 2 and of order 3 by 3. And I also told you that minor and cofactor are same if the sum of I plus j, I and j is even, and minor and cofactors have different sign if the sum of I and j is odd. And I also told you that, students, we can get the value of determinant by using cofactor. The sum of product of elements of any row or column with the cofactors of the same row or column give us the determinant of the matrix. And if we use the element of any row or column with the cofactor of other row or column, then always we get 0. Okay students, okay then, have a nice day.